Oh, Molly, you ready to eat? You too, Vinnie? Oh, guys, are you ready for your disgusting food? There it is. There it is. Ugh. All right, we have to give just a little bit to Vinnie because he has to have a little schnecken with Molly. Just a little bit more in. All right, how about this, guys?
This week was April Fool's, and my husband always loves to pull a few pranks. Everyone's ready for their dinner. Molly, are you hungry? Wait, no, you have to get your spots. Are you guys hungry? Are you ready for dinner? Are you hungry? Yes? You're ready? It's time for some food. Here we go. What? Is there something that's supposed to be there?
It really was the dog's dinner time, so we didn't have the heart to let the prank go on much further.
Okay, are you guys ready for real dinner now? It's dinner time. Are you ready? Okay, Molly, sit. Vinnie, sit. Molly, sit. Vinnie, sit. Here we go. Here we go.
Wow, that's gross.
After we fed the dogs, we also had to go give Teriyaki, Tandoori, Nugget, and Barbecue Bob their dinner. There you go, Terry. There you go, Bobby. Dory, that was free. Dory, you went the wrong way. No. Chickens. How are my pretty ladies?